Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken korma. First, gather your ingredients. Begin by marinating your chicken. Combine yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a blend of spices like turmeric, chili powder, and garam masala. Mix well with your chicken pieces, ensuring they are fully coated. Let this sit for at least 30 minutes or, ideally, several hours in the refrigerator for maximum flavor. This step is crucial for tender, juicy chicken. Next, we'll build the rich flavor base. Heat some oil or ghee in a large pot or pan. Add sliced onions and cook them slowly until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are nicely caramelized. This takes patience, but is essential for korma's sweetness. Then, stir in ginger garlic paste and green chilies. Finally, add your whole spices like cardamom pods and cinnamon sticks, followed by ground spices, to toast them briefly until fragrant. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add your marinated chicken to the pot, stirring to coat it with the aromatic mixture. Cook for a few minutes until the chicken is lightly seared. Then, pour in a blend of pureed cashews or almonds, which will give your korma its signature creamy texture. Add a splash of water or chicken broth, bring it to a gentle simmer, and cover. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until the chicken is tender. For the grand finale, stir in a touch of heavy cream or coconut milk to achieve that luxurious, velvety consistency. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Garnish your finished chicken korma with fresh chopped cilantro and a final sprinkle of garam masala for an extra layer of aroma. Serve hot with basmati rice or warm naan bread. It's a truly satisfying meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.